Welcome to Hermanus. We are just admiring the view. I think it's just because it's so hot, well humid, that there's nothing else to do but look at the view. What is our plan of action for the day?
Ace up and cute.
I mean, I guess that's... Since when is that on the agenda? Anyway, shall we explore more? I need to take this jacket off, otherwise I'm getting so hot. And yeah, let's go! Lydia! Like an art space. So that walking really took me out. Pretty tired, but we're back now. And while we were walking, we stopped at like a few little shops. Wait, I'm not even in frame. So we stopped at a few little shops while we were walking, and I just want to show you what we got. It's a little few goodies. Let me put you guys here. We're gonna give you a shopping wall. Okay. Are you in? There. Okay. What did you get? So, we actually walked past that market that I showed you guys, and they had like these beautiful beaded necklaces, but they were quite pricey. It was, I guess, it was tourist price. And then we found the actual beads for not even half, like a quarter of the price. So, she bought it. Like cute little white ones. These, I was gonna do this. These ones. And we're gonna, oh, and this is also a different one. So we're gonna try. Now I'm gonna show you what I got. It's just like, I feel like when you go shopping on holiday, you just buy the random things that you don't need. Exactly what I did. So, guys, I am so excited about this. Oh, you joking. Yum. I was gonna say, do you wanna try whichever bun anyway? And then, she's just casually figuring that out. I got a cute little headband. Green is literally my favorite color. Aww. I feel like I'm back in like high school, you know, when you're in high school you have like these headbands for school. I do, but I think it's cute. And then I've got these little like nail art pliers kind of thing. So yeah, when you do nail polish you can create like different art. So that's our little shopping haul. I feel like I need a nap. See you guys later. She literally took 5 minutes to finish it. Aww. Little cute little. Nice. Can I put it on? Do you want to put it on for me? Ooh. Let's see if I can. I don't know. No, it's okay. Now I'm like, oh, look how nice. I'm like, just holding myself. Dude, we can make necklaces. Now, like I said, you see, this I had a vision. Thanks, my little. I do like the all. Let's go get everyone's reactions. Look what Lydia got. Or made.
Let's. We all need a new Hermanus one. Let's. Please. Wow. Let's.
Let's. Now we're all gonna have one by the end of this trip. I'm pretty excited. Stunning! Can you see my necklace? Okay, Lydia just finished my necklace. So I got a necklace and the matching bracelet. But I want to try this nail things that I got. And obviously I went to Pinterest and then I saw this photo. I don't know if you can see it. It's just very simple, easy to follow, I guess, so that's what I'm gonna try and do. I got these two colors and some nail polish, and I don't have anything on my nails at the moment. It's just natural, but let's see how this goes. Okay, so these are all different sizes, and basically you can just make all these cool nail arts with them. So I think I'll go with this, the pink one. I don't know, to figure it out how it goes. So I don't have like a container to dip it in. I'm just gonna do it like this. Look, I'm no professional, so we're just winging it with what we got and how we got it. So
Yeah.
the wrong type of nail polish for the nails, but essentially this is the end result. Kind of happy with it compared to what we were working with. So see you guys later.
No.
So for the past few days it's been really windy, that's why I did put the windbreakers down, but we really haven't been, today we haven't been doing much just because it is quite windy. We are all exhausted just doing a lot of exploring, so we've been taking it easy today. I have a bowl of fruit because I'm a bit snackish. One thing I realized, well, we were walking around, Hermanus is like really known for their whales, so it's like we're just surrounded by ocean, but it's also such like a creative town, and there's a lot of art galleries and that you can just go and explore in, and like many shops that you can shop in. So it's been quite fun, like checking the art out, exploring, being so close to the ocean. I have not swam in the ocean because I bet it's cold and it's just windy. Like So we do plan to go see the famous popular restaurant. I think it's called the Fix Pool restaurant. And I'll take you guys with us, just so we can all experience it together, you know. Man, this mango is so juicy. Okay, we just got ready. I'm gonna show you an outfit that no one requested for, but this is my outfit. Okay, they're waiting for me. Let's go to Fix Pool restaurant. Vibes. The ultimate queen. Hey. Thank you. It's quite dark there. Chocolate. We just finished our drinks at the Fix Pool restaurant. We saw that there was a path leading this way, so we're just walking alongside the ocean. So this is just our evening stroll, and it's quite nice because the wind has died down. I'm feeling good. So let me just catch up with the rest of them.